All right, people, we got another one. I hope you're all doing well out there, by the way. So this is a quick, tips and tricks for your Samsung Galaxy security settings. You must have them on. These security settings that I'm going to show you right now, they are primordial for your mobile phone, okay? So you want them on at all time, okay? So, but before all that though, make sure to drop loads of these, thumbs up the video, destroy the like button, sub to the channel if it's your first time out here, share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. Guys, let's take the channel to 10K. We can do it. So without further ado, let's get down to business. So I'm gonna show you these crucial settings that you must keep on at all time. You gotta have them. You must have them. Let's go. So number one, what you wanna do is to go to settings like I just did. You wanna go now to, where are we? To battery on device care, all right? Click on that. Now we're gonna go for device protection. You want this part of your phone to be on at all time also. Right now mine says no threat found, right? That's cool. Here and there, you can scan your phone, to just to double check, making sure that things are what they are supposed to be. So every other week, you want to be coming to this area, okay? So that is done, no threat found. We're gonna keep moving to the next one, okay? Now, let's move to the next one. By the way, you can go to this area, also about device care. You click there, and about device care, you go to update security engine, okay? Click on that and wait for it to do its job. It'll tell you if you have, your updates, your phone updated to the newest security engine. Okay, so mine is done. So we're gonna move to the next one. This time we're still in settings, by the way. Okay, so now you want to go to biometric. Where are we? Biometrics on security. You want to click on that. Okay, when you're here, you want to go to more biometrics settings. Okay, now you want to go to biometric security pouch. Click on that and let it do, it will do the job for you. So security biometrics security pouch. So we got the latest one. I've got the latest one right now. So that is cool. Okay. So you want to be doing all these things every other week just to keep your phone safe. Now we're going to move on to the next one, which is also in biometric on security. Okay. Which going to be Google Play Protect. Okay. You want to double check that. It says no harmful apps found. Here as well, here and there, you can scan it by yourself, to make sure that everything is safe. Okay. Now we want to go up here, click on that, making sure that these two buttons are tick and are green, just like mine is right now. Now we gonna move on to the next one. The following one is also found in biometrics and security. There's a lot going on here. Yeah, boy. So we want to go back right here to Google Play System Update. Okay, you want to click on that. Check for updates. Okay. Your device is up to date. This is exactly what you want to be seeing at all times. So every other week, just do that just to keep your phone and your device safe. All right. Let me see if I got another one for you guys. Destroy the like button, people. Destroy the like button. Okay, let's keep on going. So, more security settings and biometric pouch, we already done that. So yeah, this is pretty much the end of this one, guys. This is pretty much the end of this one. I'll be coming, with some more weekly tech vlogs. As you know how we get down out here. It's all about the techs and many other things out here. So, if this was helpful, make sure to like the video, okay? Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. Turn on your notification bell so you won't be missing out when I release dope ass shit like this. And when we go live. Okay, let's take the channel to 10K, guys. Okay, we can do it. So as usual, keep it safe, keep it lit, and we shall surely see you on the next one. I hope this was helpful for you, boys and girls, men and women. Peace from Dubai. Yeah.